Happy birthday, Eli! Enjoy your special day. Ang prayer ko, sana maging malusog ka at maging mabait na bata at masunurin sa iyong mga magulang. Okay, happy birthday!
Hi, Eli. Teacher Cecil here. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Pagaling ka and palakas ka. Hope to see you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Eli. Sana gumaling ka na para mapunta na dito na mag-play tayo. Miss na kita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eli. Get well soon. I'll be praying for you to get strong. I'll be waiting for you at school so we can play together again and be classmates.
Hi Eli! Happy birthday! Stay strong dyan and sana makalaro na tayo soon dahil miss na kita.
Hi Eli! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and I hope to see you soon. Ninang is so proud of you because you are a strong and brave kid. Just keep on praying, Eli. I love you, Eli. From Ninang Steph Garcia. Take care.
Kuya Eli,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
What's your wish for Kuya Eli?
I wish you will feel good.
And
And
hope to see you soon.
I hope to see you soon.
And
And
I hope we can play again.
I hope we can play again too.
Si Jojo naman. Jojo, what's your wish?
Hello, Jojo. Happy birthday!
birthday!
1, 2.
Happy birthday! Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday.
Kuya?
Kuya?
Eli.
Eli.
Happy birthday, Eli. Hope to see you soon. Get well soon. We'll visit you again, okay? Heart. Daddy.
Happy birthday, Kuya Eli. We miss you. Get well soon. I pray that God will make you and your mommy strong for your big day. Bye!
Yeah, let's bake tayo ha. Bake tayo ng favorite cake mo, okay? Okay, bye! See you soon! Ano sabi po? I love you, Kuya Eli.
I love you, Kuya
I miss
Eli.
you.
I miss you.
Hello, Eli. Happy birthday. I love you. Medyo ko, sayang. Kamusta ka na? I love you, Apo.
Balita ako may magba-birthday daw ngayong araw na to na batang pogi. Nasaan kaya? Naku, ayun pala siya. Naku, happy birthday. Alonso, this is Lola Mira. Baby, be strong. We're waiting for you here in Singat. Okay? I love you and we love you. Happiest birthday. Many more birthday to come. Bye-bye.
Hi Eli! How are you? Miss ka na ng Elvira Farm. Hope to see you soon. We will swim and we want to greet you a happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli. Enjoy your day. Magpagaling ka na para makapag-swimming na tayo sa patubig. I miss your vlogs na.
We miss you.
Miss you, love you.
Hi, Eli. This is Tita Teacher. I just want to greet you happy birthday. So I hope maging maganda yung araw mo. And please, don't forget to always pray. Always keep safe and be strong. Mwah! I love you.
Hi, Liver Warrior Ellie. Happy 88th birthday sa'yo. Laban lang po. Andito lang kami ng mama mo, ng lola mo at daddy mo. At ako, magtiwala lang kay Papa God. Soon, maging happy na rin ikaw. Ayan, be brave little liver warrior. Love you.
Happy birthday, Eli! We love you!
Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli.
Cute, cute! Ubi cake mo, oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Eli.
Yay! Love you, love you, love you.
Oh, blow, blow, blow. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Love you,
Love you,
baby.
Eli. Love you. Mwah.